In a reactive world, emotional control is power, and one of the fastest ways to lose that control is expecting too much from others. Expectations feel natural. Expectations feel natural. You expect respect. You expect effort. You expect understanding because that's what you would give. But here's the truth: people don't always give what you give. People don't always give what you give. And that gap between what you expect and what you receive is where disappointment begins. The nature of expectations. Expectations are built internally. They come from your values, your standards, your way of thinking. But the mistake is assuming others operate in the same way. They don't. Different priorities, different awareness, different levels of discipline, and when reality does not match expectation, emotion appears. Why expectations hurt? Expectation create attachment, not just to people, but to outcomes. You expect a response. You expect effort. You expect consistency. And when it does not happen, it feels personal, not because it always is, but because your mind created a standard and reality did not match it. The emotional reaction. When expectations fail, people react: frustration, disappointment, sometimes anger. But often the reaction is not about the situation, it's about the gap. The gap between what should happen and what actually happened. The hidden assumption. There is a hidden belief inside expectation. If I do this, they will do the same. If I do this, they will do the same. But that belief is not always true. because people act based on their own priorities, not your expectations. Emotional discipline and detachment. Emotionally disciplined people understand something important. They reduce expectation and increase observation. Instead of assuming behavior, they watch patterns. Instead of expecting consistency, they notice it. This shift changes everything because now your emotional state is not dependent on others. The power of acceptance. Acceptance is not weakness, it is clarity. Accepting that people are who they are, not who you expect them to be. This does not mean tolerating everything. It means seeing clearly. And when you see clearly, you make better decisions. Boundaries instead of expectations. Instead of expecting behavior, set boundaries. Expectation says they should do this. Boundary says if this happens, I will respond this way. One depends on others. The other depends on you. And control always comes from your side. The AME.X perspective. Within the AME.X mindset, expect less, observe more. Not because you lower standards, but because you stop assuming. You let people show you who they are and you respond accordingly. This creates emotional stability because your peace is no longer controlled by unmet expectations. The shift when you stop expecting, disappointment reduces, clarity increases, decisions become easier because now you are responding to reality, not to assumption. Remember something simple. Expectation creates disappointment. Observation creates understanding. Choose wisely. Choose wisely. If you are building emotional control, in a reactive world. Stay here. This channel is for thinkers. Control your emotions, or they will control you.
Ready to play? Good boy, bring it back. Yes, such a good dog.